class is now open. Well, look at this. What are we going to talk about today? It looks like I'm getting ready to do some work here. I've got some things over here. I'm gonna mainly, this segment, I'm mainly going to talk about landscape drainage pipes. Now, you see anything here? Look at this. This is a drainage pipe. Okay, this is a drainage pipe, and how they did this years ago. Here's the downspout that comes off the roof, and then they've got it going into a round container, and then it reduces down to a 3-inch pipe, and I think that's a 6-inch container there. Comes out here, tees, and goes this way. It goes that way. It picks up this downspout that goes up there. There's another one of these over there. Comes this way. Okay, follow me along here now. Okay, goes on over this way. Here's another downspout. Okay, what do you suppose is in the corner? Yeah, see that? That's a big box, and it reduces down to a 3-inch. I'll talk about this in a minute. Okay, just follow along. Here's another pipe here, and it goes on over this way. Now, why did I dig all that stuff up? See, it just stops right here, and we had some rocks around it. And when the downspouts are full of water, the water gets transferred over, and it comes out here, and it goes out this way. Okay, they could have done it differently. Every landscaper guy does it differently. They could have dug this underneath before they installed this driveway. They could have ran it all the way over that way, right? Okay, they also could have ran it underneath the grass before they installed the grass. And see, here's another drain here. See this one? That's not connected to that. That drain goes on up in here somewhere, and I'm not quite sure exactly where it all goes, but it drains this area. Oh, I know where it goes. Sorry about that. It drains from here. Okay, here's the driveway. Here's the driveway. Any water that came here, the water directs this way, and they had to angle the driveway in such a manner where they decided the water was going to go into there. Then from there, it goes on over that way, and it dumps out over there by the mailbox. Okay, and then let's just keep talking about these downspouts. Okay, now initially, if you watched any of my other videos, you would have see this pipe here. It used to connect from here into this fitting, and then it zipped around like this, and it came out like that. Can you believe that? It went just like that. Went just like that, and it dumped water on here, went on over to there. Well, when I did some work in here before, I had to move all these rocks. Well, they had these rocks built up high, and the rocks went up over this and all that. I said, phooey on that. Let's get rid of that. Since I was doing work in here, and I saw this same pipe goes up here. It's a different type of pipe. It's a perforated pipe. It looks just like this, except it's got some slits on it. Now see this one here? No slits on it at all. There's a pipe under here that has slits. Any water that comes off of here, it dumps down into that. It's a little drain through there. There's gravel along there, and then zip, 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 goes on down over that way and goes out there. So when I had that dug up, I thought, hey, let's do away with this curve, and let's go ahead and run this right into this other pipe. So I ran a T. I showed you that on some other videos. If you didn't watch those, you can watch those. You'll have to find those somewhere else on my channel. Okay, and so I decided to do away with that. Okay, I thought that was kind of slick. Now yes, do you see that? Yes, you do see it from the street, from the driveway, as you're pulling in. But if you will recall, there used to be a big bush right here. Well, I took that bush out, decided it was time to say goodbye, and I'm going to plant another type of bush right here in the corner. Okay, when that bush comes up, you're never even going to see that, are you? Okay, so different landscapers do different things. I'm just gonna keep going over here. This entire segment, I'll start talking about this here in a minute. Okay, here's another drain over here. Look at this. Look what they did here. See this? They ran it from there, and it goes down that way, and it dumps out over there by the street. See how high it is? Well, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to redo that, and I'm going to extend it so that most of this is covered up until about there, and then loops up and then over, because this connection here has perforations all the way, and so I can bend this how I want and have this kind of sweep up. And this stuff is really flexible, so I'm going to fix that. And you're not really going to see it from the street. Why? Because we're going to plant another bush. I'm going to dig this out, put a bush right here, and so the only part that's going to be exposed is from there down to about there, and that's it. Now, see how high that is up off the ground? There's no reason that anybody would have wanted to put a big fat drain like they did in the corner over here. Okay, because these downspouts are closer to where it dumps out, right? They're closer, they stick down closer, and that's just kind of how they decided to do it. See how close that one is, that right there? They decided to do that. Now, I'm going to talk about this more in a minute, okay? Let me catch my breath. Be right